Hello everyone, today going to talk about the leetCode number 4 question, mediate of two sorted array. Look at the question. There are two sorted array, nums1 and nums2, size min and n respectively. Find the mediate of the two sorted arrays. The overall runtime complexity should be O log m plus m. Every time you see you have a log, it means you need to do binary search. So in the action, you need to move left and the right side together. So normally in this situation, you define 2 points. You may assume nums1 and nums2 cannot be both empty. So just they definitely won't give you both empties, but it will have a potential. One of it is empty. Now could be num1 is empty or nums2 is empty. So look at the example. This example didn't give you this scenario, but when you write the code, just keep in mind, could be num1 is empty, also could be num2 is empty. So number one example is you have a nums1, 1, 3, nums2, they are sorted. So the middle of it, did you see it is in the length is 3, the median is 2. So you actually put a 1, 2 on the left part, have an item 3 on the right part, and then the maximum of left part 2, it is the mediate. So 2 is the mediate. Just remember it. The second example is if you get a 2 array, the length together is odd number. So if you put the in one line is 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the left side have 2 items. On the right side also have 2 items. In this case, you pick up the maximum number from the left side, it is 2. The smallest number from the right side is 3. So 2 plus 3 divided 2 equal to 2.3. I will write the code looking after this one. So you be given 2 array, sorted array. So A and B. So we need to write a loop. So we're going to define a loop from the smallest length. So I will compare array A and array B. The lengths I only loop the minimum and this next number of array, and from 0 to the m. And are going to, so the I will from 0 going to move, and the right side, the maximum is with the m going to move to the left. So see which one is the I position. Once I get the I position, then half of the length minus the item in the A in the left in the I array A, then will be the left number pick up from the array B. So just look at this diagram, write our code. So first we have a 2 array. I need to get the length of each element of the array. Like I said, I only looking the last item one. If an item A is empty, I don't need to loop A. I just pick up the medians from B. So if A only have 2 number, or then I'll only loop finish 2 because they are sorted. So now I'm going to find it. If m bigger than m, they give the number. Then I need to swap it. Now we start the loop. So we will pick up them from, I will define a point I min from 0, I max to m. this is not the same. And the half then will be m plus 1 divided 2. It is this one because in here, if the odd number, so it's 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So actually 3 icon. So you plus 1 divided 2, the half of the length is 2. If you odd number, doesn't matter, just m plus n divided 2. Yeah, because this is integer, even this is 7. And half of the length 2 is correct. So if this is 7, you divide 2, still 3. Because it will convert to int. Now we start a loop. I said a binary search, so you have a 2 pointer. So you move the means, also move the max at the same time in one loop. So in one, after one, you move twice. So you have I position at the moment. And once you know the I position, then J position is easy. So we start from here, 0 position. So in 0 position, like I said, the rule is left side is smaller than right side. In this situation, the definitely smaller, so it also means I need to move ahead. So it actually means this side put too much number. So it means bj minus 1 greater than this one. So this need to move to here. You don't finish this loop, then you keep looking. If I greater than I min, you also move the I maximum. So the I maximum from this side. So it means in this situation, it means the I max it actually is too big. The I is too big. So I need a minus, then need to move to this side. So it also means a I minus 1 is too big than bj. And I haven't finished, I'm still looking. Else if okay, I max equal to I minus 1. Once you finish it, then if not a 1, 2, 3, you already, so either going to here, and then after you move, either max also move. Then once you find the perfect position, it goes into here. Then you just need to calculate the max left. By default, just init to 0. So like he said, it could be there won't be both empty, but could be one of them empty. So if I is empty, then the max length, max left, then just bj minus 1. If I know the empty, but j is empty, the max left also easy. And if they both know the empty, actually pick some item from A, some item from B, then the max left will be, you don't know which on the top, so you just pick the maximum left. So the maximum left item A is this one, max left B is this one, so we just pick the max. And in this situation, if it is odd number, m plus m mod of 2 equal to 1. You don't need to keep calculate, just return max left. So call backwards. So it is odd number, did you see? So the max in 2, actually just pick up from the max left. Only happen it is the odd number, you need to pick up a max left, minimum right. Then you add it together, divide 2. So what happened? This situation is they are the odd number. They are not odd number. They are not odd number, definitely is even number. Then we need to calculate minimum right. So if I equal to m, everything pick up off the m, then the min right, then just bj. Min right, just bj, because and I off the m. So else if j equal to n, this also easy. So the min RIGHT, min right will be AI. And the left, but if something pick up from the left, something pick up from the right, then you just pick up. So you have a both, don't need to go over there. You have a AI minus 1 have something over there, and you have a icon, A have an item, B have an item. Then you need to pick out the minimum, either this one or this one, just do a math comparison. Then the min right will be equal to mass dot min b j O is AI. Okay, so once you know, if you then you just return the result. It is max left plus min right. Then you divide 2.0. We change it to odd number. Let me just run and see if I have a syntax issue. Yeah, I always have this issue. 24. Smith the semicolon. 47. 47. 47. Okay. Okay. So once you finish the while loop, you didn't find it, and just return 0.0. Okay. Right. Finish it. Okay, 90 seconds. milliseconds. So if we submitted this, if could pass out the scenario, damn it. Have a runtime again. How can I have a runtime? Int is out of bound. Okay, not too much. Where does they say 922? 922. 922. Really? 22, 922. 22. If j equal to 0, then it is pick up from here. He said on auto an integer. J equal to 0. Oh, j equal to 0, so it is suppose. Damn it, j equal to 0. Silly. So if j equal to 0, definitely is a minus 1. This is very silly issue. Submit again. Okay, it passed. That's it. Yeah, this question actually quite very hard. Never mind, it take me a day. Actually, looked on the solution, and figure out how they compare. Then I just write by myself and trying to really understand the scenario and the situation. So if you are still not understanding, you actually could look at this recursive approach. I think the main thing is this diagram. So find the I position. So the rule is just this one. Max length equal to max right, and max left side need less than minimum of a right side part. Also think about the two scenarios. Either one of them is empty. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.